So first, data analytics. So we will be collecting and then cleaning the data. Okay, so here cleaning means what? Cleaning means when you are collecting the data will be not correct. Okay, removing null values. Some fields may not be mandatory, right? So those not mandatory fields will not be filled by the users. So in that case, those data has to be either removed or it has to be replaced. Okay, and sometimes uh, people may be giving wrong information also. Wrong information in the sense, in the gender part, they might have given the age. Okay, age or something they might have given. Okay, those data also to be found and to be cleaned. So that is what called as cleaning here. Okay, and next, so for category. So categorizing the data. Okay, and then managing those data. Here categorizing means whether it is a structured one or unstructured one, they will be noting it down. Whether it is a structured data or unstructured data. Okay, so those category will be taken. So structured data means traditional database structure will be there. Unstructured means each will have different column sizing. Okay, then managing the data. Okay, third step, we will be managing the data in database or data warehouse. In database or data warehouse. Okay, then storing the data. So in the actual storage part, it is happening. Okay, and then perform ETL. So here ETL means, I will write it down here. So ETL means extract, okay, transform, and then load. So here extract means extract the source from different places. For example, we can collect the data from different places, like either can collect it from the application, through website, or conducting some survey. Okay, feedback. Those information you are collecting, right? It will be in different file format. For example, you might have seen .csv, comma separated value. Okay, then TSV means tab separated value. Okay, mostly this type of data will be in some text format. Okay, they might have separated the data by using tab space. Okay, likewise different file formats will be there, like Excel. So those data will be taken from different resources. Okay, then transform. In this transform portion, what will happen is all the data are different formats, so it will be difficult to process, right? So all this will be converted into some common format. Wait. Okay, wait. So everything will be in converted into some common format. Then those data will be loaded into our model, we can say. Okay, okay. Next, after loading, we will do the analysis, right? Uh, when you are giving the proper data, you will be expecting some good output. Okay, so here in the analysis, what are all the analysis we can do is we can extract the pattern. Okay, extract patterns. Okay, finding insight, and also we can find the trend curve. Okay, trend we can find what is the current trend is going on, we can. And finally, sharing the data to, okay, BU means business unit, okay, or business user, you can say. Okay, often it will be in the form of dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard we will be seeing the final output in some graphical format. Okay, what is the total sales happened, what is the average sales, what is the total profit, those information will be in some different format, will be represent. So whenever the data is getting updated, so automatically our dashboard also will be updated by the data.